Oh wow, that didn't go as pretty as I thought it would. Hey everyone, and welcome to How David. I'm David Lee, the Fun Fit filmmaker. In this video, I'm going to show you how a bodybuilder eats breakfast. Not really how, but what. Before we get into that, please hit subscribe if you haven't already and give me a thumbs up if you think this gave you some insight on what someone like me eats. You know, a common question I got from people was, what do you eat? I'm never sure how to answer that question and why I should, because I don't know if I want to lift out all my food, because that takes maybe a 2 to 3 good minutes of typing and maybe a paragraph or two, formulate a decent reply, only to get a response like, okay. Okay? I just told you everything that I consume. You don't have a follow-up question, no resolution, no changes to your overall diet, and just respond with K. So I decided to do a video on this transformation period. In the last 4 weeks, I've been on strict dieting, but you know what? I'm not starving. A lot of people think that dieting means starving. No, I'm not starving. I've adjusted a few food choices, threw in some long cardio, mostly stairs, but I'm going to share you my favorite meal of the day. Why is it my favorite meal of the day? Because after 40 minutes on the Stairmaster, a fasted cardio session, first meal of the day, and I'm hungry AF. And personally, it's the best meal of the day. So let's start with the ingredients. I eat 1 cup of egg whites, 1 cup of strawberries, 2 slices of Ezekiel bread, and of course I'll add some onions and baby spinach to my eggs to make it a decent tasting omelet. You're probably wondering what else I add to this. Do you season it with anything? Me? No. I've gotten to a point where all the ingredients I have is all I really need. There. My protein, carbs, and oh yeah, there's the strawberries. All right, that's what I eat in the morning. If you're interested in what you should eat, maybe not just for breakfast, but all the other meals of the day, message me at david@comediandavidlee.com. Or if you just want to ask what else I eat in a day, post a comment below if you'd like to see a more detailed account of my meals. Or maybe what I eat when there's a need for cheat meals. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you haven't already. I'm David Lee. Aloha.
That's messy. Yeah.